Our project name is Natura Villas. Architects: Plinthos Architects and Stefania Ntinou Architect. Area: 230 square meters. Location: Naxos, Greece. Natura Villas is an exclusive holiday home complex meticulously designed to harmonize with the natural landscape of the Cyclades. Nestled into the hillside of Naxos, the project takes full advantage of its elevated location, offering breathtaking, panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and the rugged Naxian landscape. The architectural concept draws inspiration from the area's raw beauty and traditional Cycladic architecture, with the design elegantly merging modern living with the region's natural rock formations. The complex consists of two beautifully crafted vacation homes, each embodying a sophisticated fusion of eclectic interior design and a vibrant outdoor lifestyle. Access to each home is thoughtfully arranged via private roads, ensuring a sense of privacy for guests. Upon arrival, guests are greeted by landscaped staircases leading to expansive outdoor areas that reveal stunning sea views and tranquil pool terraces. Inside, the homes flow effortlessly from the communal living spaces to the more intimate bedrooms, separated by two exceptional atriums that provide striking visual connections to the outdoors and different vistas of the island. Outdoor living is a key focus of the Natura Villas experience. The homes feature carefully placed amenities, including shaded seating areas, barbecue zones, al fresco dining spots, and infinity pools, all designed to enhance the summer lifestyle. The interior design complements the architecture by combining classic and modern elements, creating a peaceful atmosphere with plaster walls, concrete floors, and a curated mix of furniture pieces. Together, these features create a dynamic and enchanting retreat, blending the charm of Cycladic tradition with contemporary luxury. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to share with your friends and family.